Hey guys, it's Rick here at Snake Harley-Davidson on this Lover's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. As you can see, I'm featuring his and hers, hers and hers, his and his, whatever your flavor is. 2017 Street Glide Special on the left, 2017 Road Glide Special on the right. Both bikes are equipped with the Milwaukee-Eight 107 motor, 6-speed transmission, 6.5 boom audio, touchscreen with nav, cruise control, still factory warranty on these babies here. Superior blue, beautiful color. So come on in and check these out, man. The season's beginning. It's here. Let's ride. There's no better time to ride than with your love, your significant other. Check that out, man. Sun shining, gleaming. Beautiful bikes here. So don't miss out. Price to sell. We got a big line of used Harley-Davidsons, pre-owned, as well as the new full Softail line. Come on in and ride those bikes. We got full demos on them. They're an impressive bike. But here's my two featured today. 2017 Street Glide Special, 2017 Road Glide Special. Look forward to seeing you here, man. Peace.